Hey, this is Jar from ARCANA Studios, and basically today we're going to show you real quick real fast how to make a thumbnail like this. So, in Canva for free, completely for free, we're going to hide our assets here because they're not needed right now. And we're going to go ahead and open Canva for free, add a page. We want this canvas to be 3840 by 2160. This is our canvas size. We can see this right here. We can create a new design and make one that is 3840 by 2160. Once it pops up.
Discovering magics! Arcana Studios.
Okay, we've gotten to a Canva now, 3840 size canvas. So basically, I couldn't show you, but basically you go create new design and then have it be a 4K design. And then you want to start with text. Click on the texture. Let's go ahead and take off the HUD because that might actually be in the way. We're full screening it anyways today. And we click on text. We have our audio on. Okay. Click on text. So we added text. And so for the text to be good for a thumbnail, you want it to be very big. So we wanted something like how to do something in 20 minutes. Okay, now it's popping up. How to, yeah, we've passed up beyond that. We've passed beyond that. I could use a space bar here. Okay, so how to do something in 20 minutes, right? Then you scale it up to be full screen, covering the entire freaking screen, and change the font to be, for example, what we did was Anton at the end, but at the beginning we did something else like League Spartan. Something else, for example. There you go. Now it's big enough. This is actually really easy. You can see here. But, you know, we need some spaces in there. And, of course, it's going to double space because my keyboard, insert expletive, do something. All right, in 20 minutes. All right, so this could be bigger because Anton makes things, 588. Okay, and now this needs to be pulled up a little bit to be in the middle. And boy, that looks pretty cool, right? But right now it's just white. So let's go ahead and make this black. Yeah, and for this we're actually going to make this red. And this will actually be red. Do something in 20 minutes. Now, that's a pretty good basic thing, right? As you can see here, over here, what we did was we made it like that. How to make a cinematic game trailer for free in 20 minutes. And so you can make something like that, or this, and then you throw behind it a background, right? We don't need you to play automatically. And if there is a logo on the background, you can get rid of it just like that, and click replace background. How to do something in 20 minutes. Now this does not show up very well, so what we want to do for this is actually make this. We'll keep it black because I want to show you something. We go to effects and we go to outline and white. How to do something in 20 minutes. And there you have it. Now when you download, because the canvas is 4K, and you go to PNG, it will be 4K. For Rumble, you want PNG 4K, untainted, unruined. For YouTube, you're going to want JPEG. So you have to go to JPEG and then go to page 5. Did we download page 5 the last time? Page 5. Page 5. We're going to want page 5. But we want it to be in a PNG for Rumble. So you go to share, and you go down to download, then you go into select pages, click 5, then you go to PNG, save download settings, click download. Then for YouTube, you go to JPEG, click download. Then you want to upload the JPEG to YouTube, and if you upload to Rumble, you can use the PNG, which is a better looking picture, and that's why I use it on Rumble, because you can. And if you use the JPEG on Rumble, it won't be as good of an image. And the best you can do on YouTube is JPEG anyways. Generally speaking, it has to be small PNG if you do a PNG. But that way, we have our image, and we can look at it now. Well, we need Windows to un-F itself. Let's go ahead and open up Windows file browser. No, not an infinite number of these. Okay. All right. Well, it's downloading them, and we've got one already downloaded, which is the JPEG. And this is the one we're going to use for this. This is the one we're going to use for this one. It's got a JPEG as well, but it does not have a PNG. So let's go back and go to page 4. And we're going to download page 4, a PNG for Rumble. And it's just that simple. Now, you could do experimenting to make the font better. You can do experimenting to do others better. And you can also hire us to make a cinematic game trailer for you. We'll even make the thumbnail. Just click on the link below to contact us through our website if you want to hire us to make a trailer for you, including with that, the thumbnail. And we also create crowdfunding campaigns, and you can contact us if you're interested in that. Follow and subscribe if you dare. Destroy that like button. And we will close this with a little look into our trailer.
Discovering magics.